Hi Eddie, this is Mr. Rella, and we're going to go over fire and rain on the keyboard. You're going to be in the wonderful key of C major. So none of this crap. Okay, so just in the C key, but he's going to borrow some keys from the minor, which means every once in a while you're going to see some black keys, even though the song is mostly primarily C, in white keys. So let's listen to the song. Let's play the first chords of the song. Oh, we're going. Sorry if you're dizzy. Close your eyes, future Eddie. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you're gone. We're looking for three chords. Now I play different inversions of them, different order of the letters, but they're the same three letters. First letters are C, E, G, standard seg. Let's talk about seg. Okay. Just yesterday morning. Now we're gonna get the morning. You're gonna play a G minor chord. G, B flat, D. Just yesterday morning, they let me F major. Know that you're gone. That's what I mean when it's only three chords. Now, when you're playing on the piano, you can have fun with different inversions. Watch C major, that's a root position. See how I made it in a different order instead of this one? Because I like it because you get to keep the top note. Look at the top note. Just less to the note. See it? It just stays. But this stays while this moves. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you're gone. Suzanne, this song. Now we get into the chord. Here's F. I see fire and I see rain. Okay. So that's F. I've seen D minor, fire, and I've seen rain, and I've seen rain. Basically three chords. F, D minor, and C. I've been sun that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. And then, that really special moment, that's so sad and like perfect. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Right? And I always thought that I'd see you. I always thought I'd see you again. Oh no, is that right? Always thought that I'd see you again. Yeah? So that last chord is a G minor chord. So I'm going to read off the chords to you as I play them. Okay? C, G minor, then let me go, F, and then C. C, Suzanne, then B flat, then make the end to you. C, then G minor 7, and I wrote down this C. C, then a B flat, then F, and then this goes down. F and then D minor, then G. Oh, sorry. F, then D minor, G, C. There you go. There was a G, it just happens fast. F, then a D minor, G, and C. I've seen sunny days and I thought they'd never end. I saw a lonely time that I could not find a friend. But I B flat, then I F, then I G. That's the song. Thank you. Yesterday morning. It sounds really nice with electric piano.
It does. I was trying a couple of them on here that sounded pretty good too.
Cool.
That's
what I like about this class. We can be like flexible. There's a lot of quiet time where people are being creative in their own ways. And I don't have to like be like super specific about what you have to do. You just have to do around the things that I'm asking. Chords. Then find out whatever tones you like. Yeah, you're going tone hunting. That's what guitar players do. They go tone hunting. They buy a bunch of what do you call it? Pedals. And they go tone hunting. All right, cool. You good?
Yes.
All right, enjoy, future Eddie.